Good to see you, curious minds. Google just turned your boring notes into an autonomous content factory. We all know NotebookLM as the tool that summarizes PDFs, but the new Studio update has transformed it into a full-blown production engine. It's no longer about just reading your notes, it's about deploying them. The heart of this transformation is the new Studio panel. It's no longer just a sidebar for summaries. It's your command center for 8 different media formats. From a single source of truth, you can now generate professional-grade podcasts, narrated slide presentations, interactive study sets, data-driven infographics, and even full research reports. The real magic here is that NotebookLM doesn't just rephrase your notes. It uses a 1 million token context window powered by Gemini Pro 1.5 to understand the underlying narrative of your entire library. It identifies the hero facts, the supporting arguments, and the tonal shifts required for different formats. It's the ultimate source-to-content pipeline, and it's living right inside your browser. The magic starts with your sources. You can upload up to 50 documents, including PDFs, Google Docs, website links, or even YouTube URLs. But here is the Foxworthy tip. Use the new Deep Research button. Instead of just relying on the files you manually upload, NotebookLM will autonomously browse the web, find hundreds of relevant grounded sources, and add them to your notebook automatically. It doesn't just find links, it extracts the data, validates the facts against your existing notes, and builds a massive topical authority graph in seconds. This solves the blank page problem forever. You don't start with a cursor. You start with a library. This is where the workflow gets truly powerful for creators. In the Studio panel, click the Infographic button. You can choose from 4 distinct styles: professional, sketchnote, kawaii, or whiteboard. But the real game changer is the orientation settings. You can select vertical 9:16 for your social media shorts, or horizontal 16:9 for professional presentations. You can even prompt the AI with specific instructions, like focus on the 3 key statistics from the Q3 report, and use my brand's blue color palette. The AI will build a high-fidelity visual summary, complete with custom icons and charts, that you can download as a PNG or SVG. It's like having a graphic designer on retainer who has already read all your notes. We've all heard the AI-generated podcasts from NotebookLM. Those audio overviews that sound eerily human, complete with filler words and natural banter. But the new update adds interactive mode. Once the podcast starts, you can click Join the Conversation. You can actually speak directly to the AI hosts in real time, steering their discussion toward a specific topic, asking them to explain a complex chart from your notes, or challenging their conclusions. It's no longer a passive listen. It's a collaborative brainstorming session. If you're stuck on a concept, you can literally talk it out with the model that processed your entire source list. For the professionals and students out there, the slide deck generator is a lifesaver. Unlike other tools that just dump text onto a generic template, NotebookLM allows for iterative revisions via the chat interface. You can look at a generated slide and simply say, "Make slide 4 more visual," or add a comparison table between these 2 products. And the AI will rebuild the slide in real time using its internal design logic. It understands which data points are slide-worthy and which should stay in the speaker notes. Once you're happy with the deck, you can export it directly to PowerPoint or PDF for your next meeting. Let's look at a real-world pro workflow, the social media Blitz. Imagine you've just finished a long-form white paper or a technical blog post. In under 5 minutes, you can use NotebookLM to generate a 10-minute podcast for Spotify, a vertical infographic for Instagram, a set of 10 interactive flashcards for your community, and a professional slide deck for LinkedIn. You've gone from one document to a multi-channel content campaign without ever leaving the interface. Or try the brand asset hack. Upload a PNG of your brand mascot or logo as one of your sources. When you generate an infographic or a slide deck, prompt the AI to incorporate the uploaded brand character into the illustrations. It uses the vision capabilities of Gemini to ensure your branding is consistent across every asset it creates. One of the most underrated features in the new update is the data table tool. We've all dealt with PDFs that have complex multi-page tables that are impossible to copy-paste. NotebookLM can now extract that structured data with 99% accuracy. It identifies the headers, cleans the formatting, and allows you to export the entire dataset directly to Google Sheets or CSV. It's a researcher's dream for handling annual reports or scientific papers. If you're a student or learning a new skill, the interactive study set is a game changer. It converts your lecture notes into a personalized tutor. You can take a quiz, and if you get a question wrong, the AI won't just tell you the right answer. It will walk you through the logic using the exact language from your professor's notes. It creates a feedback loop that ensures you aren't just memorizing, but understanding the core concepts. It's personalized education at scale. Of course, with this much power, we have to talk about the risks. The ease of generating high-fidelity content means we are about to see a flood of AI-generated media. The risk of hallucination is still there, even with NotebookLM's source grounding. It's critical that you use the interactive mode to verify the AI's conclusions. Use it as a force multiplier, not a replacement for your own critical thinking. If we lose the human in the loop, the content factory just becomes a noise machine. Google has also launched NotebookLM for Teams, allowing multiple users to contribute to the same source base. Imagine a corporate research team where everyone uploads their findings, and the studio panel generates a unified weekly briefing podcast for the entire department. It's the end of the information silo within organizations. Everyone is operating from the same hyper-intelligent library. How does this stack up against the competition? Perplexity Pages is great for public-facing articles, and Obsidian AI is perfect for local knowledge management. But NotebookLM wins on multimodal output. Neither of the competitors can generate a podcast, a slide deck, and an infographic from the same data with one click. Google's advantage here is the deep integration of Gemini's native multimodality. It's not just AI on top of a Notes app. It's a Notes app built inside an AI. Here is the Fox-worthy future. The digital twin workflow. By consistently uploading your own writing, your own research papers, and your own project notes, you are essentially training a mirror of your own thought process. When you use NotebookLM to generate content, it starts to sound like you. It uses your vocabulary, your favorite metaphors, and your unique perspective. It's no longer just an assistant. It's a force multiplier for your own intellectual output. This is the future of personal branding and professional growth. Finally, we have to talk about that context window. 1 million tokens is enough for about 700,000 words. That is the size of 7 full-length novels. Most other tools start to forget or get confused once you upload more than 10 documents. NotebookLM stays sharp, cross-referencing your first upload with your 50th with perfect precision. It is the only tool that can truly handle a career's worth of research in one place. Let's look at the Fox-worthy technicals of cross-referencing. NotebookLM uses a proprietary semantic anchor system. Instead of just matching keywords, it maps the underlying concepts of every document into a multidimensional space. When it cross-references, it is actually calculating the proximity of ideas. This is why it can find a connection between a legal document and a marketing strategy that a human might take weeks to spot. How does this stack up against $100,000 a year enterprise tools like Glean or Hebbia? While those tools are better at connecting to your email and Slack, NotebookLM is superior at reasoning over your specific research. If you need to find a file, use Glean. If you need to understand a file, use NotebookLM. Let's go deep on brand asset, prompting. To get the best results, you need to upload a brand voice document. This should include your color palette and hex codes, your favorite fonts, and a list of adjectives that describe your tone. When you click Generate Infographic, use a prompt like this. Synthesize the 5-year growth plan from my sources. Use hex number 003, 366 for headers, and hex number FF6. 600 for callouts. Ensure the icons follow a minimalist line art style. This level of control is what separates amateur AI users from pro-level content factories. What's next for NotebookLM? Google has already teased autonomous agents that won't just generate content, but will actually publish it for you. Imagine a notebook that monitors your favorite RSS feeds, performs deep research on new trends, and then autonomously posts a refined summary to your blog and social media. We are moving from a tool to a member of the team. Finally, let's talk about the heavy lifting, generating a full research paper. Start by uploading 50 sources. Use the Summarize All feature to find the core narrative. Then, use the Studio panel to generate a draft report. But here's the trick. Use the chat to verify every single citation. Ask, which source did you use for the statistic on page 3? NotebookLM will show you the exact paragraph in your PDF. This level of factual grounding is what makes it a professional-grade tool. Looking ahead, Google has hinted at multimodal agents for NotebookLM. This would allow the AI to not just read text and images, but actually watch video sources you upload and incorporate visual evidence into your content. Imagine uploading a recorded lecture, and the AI automatically extracts the whiteboard drawings for your infographic. One last tip for the road: cleanliness is next to godliness in NotebookLM. Before you generate your content, use the Source Cleanup tool to remove redundant headers, footers, and boilerplate from your PDFs. This ensures the AI is focusing on the meat of your research and not the legal fine print. NotebookLM is proving that research and creation should never have been separate workflows. It's the first true content factory for the AI age, allowing individuals to operate with the output of an entire media team. I put together a step-by-step tutorial on how to set up your first content studio and my favorite brand asset prompts in the description. If this workflow power-up saved you a headache today, consider wagging that subscribe button. Until the next one, curious minds, off you go, but don't wander too far.